We are working in the Green Big Ideas Record and Practice Journal. Today we're working on 6.2, comparing integers. We're looking at number 5 and 6, and what we want to do is we want to use the greater than, less than, or equal to symbols. So we've got greater than, we've got less than, and the way I always tell the difference between greater than and less than is I actually write ESS right in the symbol. So I know it has to be facing that way to make the capital L so it can spell the word less than. So we have -6 and -2. Now when we're talking negatives, we want to go with the one that is closest to 0 as being the biggest negative. So if we have -6 and -2, which one is closest to 0? -2 is closest to 0, so therefore it would be -6 is less than -2. For number 6, same thing, -21 and -40. -21 is closest to 0, so it'd be -21 is greater than -40. For 9 and 10, we just have to put them in the correct order from least to greatest. And this is something where you can just number them. Start out with the one that's farthest from 0 down the negative number line. So we have -18 would be 1, -11 would be 2, -8 would be 3, and then we jumped into the positive. 11 would be 4, and 18 would be the biggest number for number 9. For number 10, looks like we have -35. That would be the smallest number. -14. Oops, put a -2 in there. -7. 21 and 28 would be the biggest number. So we're working with greater than, less than, and equal to, and we are actually using positive and negative numbers for that. And incidentally, when we have the word integer, integer just basically means positive and negative numbers.